Let's go live. I will do cross-site hunting on the live website. Steps will be same. Find parameter, give any input there. If your input reflect back, try to inject any JavaScript code there. Like this. Spider, filter URLs, input is reflecting or not. If reflect, inject any JS, or one way is to do manually, or another way is to do through XSS payloads. So let's check this website, projects.knmi.nl. Let's take example this. Okay, so I'll open this first. So let's open this projects.knmi.nl, and I need bubsuit. So let's, yes, where is bubsuit? Yes. So I'll remove this because we have done this. Remove from scope. Okay. Now I think I already spider this. See this website. You have to first spider this. Now see. You need parameters. So let's filter. Okay, it's already filtered all the parameters. So you have to just test this much URL one by one to find cross-site scripting there. So I will maximize the URL. Okay. Yes. Okay. So see, there are these many URLs and you have to test one by one on all. So I'll pick one from, I will pick first one. Okay, let's pick first one. Okay, right click, send this to repeater, because you don't know which one is vulnerable. I'll check. See, there are f start, f stop, frame, direction. So I'll check one by one. Okay, I will give here hello 1. I'll give hello 2. Okay, let it be. So hello is not reflecting, example is not, that means this is not vulnerable. Okay, let's go to target, find something different then. Okay, so you can also spider this much in URLs. You will get a, maybe you will get a lots of other URLs. So right click, it is spider select items. Okay, now so now see, these are the same parameters, so you don't have to try multiple times. Try on this now, right click, send this to repeater. So there are dd 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I'll give one by one. I'll give here hello 1. Let's give her hello 2. Let's give her hello 3, because you don't know which one is vulnerable. That's why I'm giving the value like this, hello 5. Let's okay, let's click on go. I'll search hello. So I got to know that hello 1 is reflecting, as well as hello 2 is vulnerable, as well as hello 3 is vulnerable. So don't worry, I'll do that. That means dd is vulnerable, map image is vulnerable, so that means all vulnerable. So you can just make hello on dd, you can turn anywhere, right click, send this to intruder. Now I already got this one, this is vulnerable, so I'll pick this, go to payloads, load, and load the payload list files. Now start attack. See, first they got 2560 length. If your payload will get executed, the length will be greater than this. So I will sort this by double clicking on length 1 2. See, it's sorted by highest link. So I'll try one by one all the highest link. Right click, show response in browser, copy this, let's paste here. So it's not executed, that means this may not vulnerable, maybe. Let's try this, right click, show response in browser, copy this, it's not executed. Let's try this now. Right click, show response in browser. It's not executed. Let's try this now. Right click, show response in browser. Okay, let's try this. Right click, show response in browser. Okay, let's try this on. Right click, show response in browser. Okay, so not executed, no problem. Okay, you see, that means this may be not vulnerable, or you just hit and tell on mouse over, but this is something you have to do. Show response in browser, move your mouse, this may well work. No, so this may be not vulnerable. Now try on any other. I'll go to target, I'll find any other link there. So there is a equal to product label whatever, or you can right click, send this to repeater. Now let's try there. So there I'll give hello 1, I'll give her hello 2, I'll give her hello 3, I'll give her hello 4, hello 5, and hello 6. Let's execute now. Let's see it's reflecting. Which one is reflecting hello? Let's search a hello. So I got to know hello 1 is reflecting, hello 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the are vulnerable. In this case, you can right click, send this to repeater, intruder. You can turn all the positions. First clear this, select hello 1 as well as hello 2, hello 3, hello 4, hello 5. Hello, you can also try this now. See, there are 4 types of attack type. One is sniper. Sniper will only try the first one. If you want to execute on multiple parameters, you have to use battering ram. Let's payload, let's load, start attack. See, now the first length is 2583. If your payload will get executed, the length will be greater than this. So I will double click on length. Let's try right click, show response in browser, because you don't know it is vulnerable or not. Let's check. It's maybe not vulnerable, it's just displaying your input on the web page. That's it. So no problem, you don't have to try multiple times. Okay, now see, this is something another link I haven't tried on dir parameter as well as language parameter. So I will right click, send this to repeater. I'll give here hello 1 and I will give here hello 2. Let's click on go. Let's search here. So hello 2 is reflecting only. Now I'll right click, send this to intruder, positions. I don't have to attack on this. I have to only attack on hello 2. So I'll first clear this. I'll select hello 2, add payloads and load that XSS.txt start attack. See, now I will double click on length to sort highest, right click, show response in browser. See, we found a vulnerability there. And I'm going to report this vulnerability after this video, so no one can take advantage of this vulnerability in future. Now it's not end here. See, there may be multiple cross-site scripting in the same websites. You only found once. Let's try on this website now. This may be vulnerable. Let's try. Right click, send this to repeater. See, their flavor info long. So 1, 2, 3, 4 parameters. Just give hello 1. Just give hello 2. Just give hello 3. And just give hello 4. On all the parameters value, I'm basically giving the value hello 1, hello 2, hello 3 and hello 4. So because I don't know which one is vulnerable, so no one is reflecting there, so this may be not vulnerable. Now I'll do one thing, I'll remove everything. Now as it is, I will click on go. and I will search this, their input. So see, it's reflecting now. My input not reflected, but their input is reflecting. In that case, there may be also cross-site scripting. Now I will directly right click, send this to intruder, intruder positions. I will first clear this. Let's select this, add, payloads, load, start attack. Now what I have to do? I have to sort the length. Why? Because first they got length 16823. If your payload will get executed, length will be greater than this. So I will double click on length. But the problem is you are not getting highest length. So you can hit and tell the lower length. So response in browser. See, it's executed. Right click, show response in browser. It may also execute, we don't know. Let's try this. See, it's executed. So this is also a vulnerability. This way we have to do sometimes. You don't have to give your input, just do whatever they have the value, just send to go and check response, their input is reflecting or not. So likewise, now I think these all are the same. Let's try on this website. Right click, send this to repeater. See, there are many parameters. It's depend on you how you gonna search this. So either you can give hello one, or either you can search their input itself, like 555. I'm seeing 555. Let's search this 555. So yes, we are getting 555, and I don't know which 555 you are getting. So I'll give hello one now. Let's check hello one is reflecting or not. Okay, that means hello one is reflecting. Let's right click, send this to intruder positions. I will first clear this because I have to attack only on hello one. Add payloads, just load that payloads list file, start attack. Now see, the first length we got is 18132. If your payload will get executed, the length will be greater than the normal length. So I will double click on length. See, now right click, show response in browser. Let's check it's executing or not. Oh yes, it's executed. See this? So this way we have to do the cross-site scripting. Let's go to target. See, we have done this. You can also go down also. You can also try on this. Let's try on this. Okay, so I'll right click, send this to repeater. Okay, so there are how many parameters? Okay, so let's click on go. Let's search cmd value is ICE. Okay, so ICE underscore. Yes, see this, it's reflecting. ICE maps is reflecting. You can directly right click, send this to intruder, go to intruder positions, clear this, select ICE maps, add that, payloads, load, cross-site scripting payload list, start attack. Now double click on length to sort, because see, they first executed 0th payload, they got length 17422 because they just done blank. Okay, they haven't took any payloads, they just tried blank and they got length 17422. If your payload will get executed, the length will be greater than this. So double click on length. Now right click, show response in browser, because you don't know it's executed or not. Let's try this. So it's not executed, no problem. I will try second payload. Right click, show response in browser. It's not executed, no problem. I will try third payload. Right click, show response in browser. It's not executed, no problem. I will try fourth payload. Right click, show response in browser. It's not executed. I will try fifth payload. Right click, show response in browser. Now this payload is on mouse over, so you have to move your mouse. It may execute, we don't know. So it's not executed. Let's try the right click, show response in browser. So it's not executing. means CMD parameter maybe not vulnerable. Let's go to target. Sorry, let's pick this one. Right click, send this to repeater. CMD is not vulnerable. Let's try on this. I will give hello 1. Let's click on go. Hello. Now hello 1 is reflecting there. You can right click, send this to intruder. Intruder positions. First clear this. Select hello 1. Add payloads. Load. XSS. Start attack. See, now it's executing. First, you know what the concept is first. They got 17427. If your payload will get executed, length will be greater than this. So double click on length. See, right click, show response in browser, copy. It's not executed. That means this is not vulnerable. Let's try this. Right click, show response in browser, copy this. So it's not, it's just reflecting, but it's not vulnerable. And right click, show response in browser. Sorry, you can try this. So response in browser. Let's copy this. Let's try this. That means this is not vulnerable. No problem. Okay. So no problem. We just found four cross-site scripting on this website. So we can report this. You will get the t-shirts from NCSC. I hope now it's clear to you how to hunt for cross-site scriptings on any website. Yes. So we'll meet on the we'll try on the next live websites. Don't worry about that.